Hi, this is Eleni from the Heritage Toyota, and I'm here with the 2019 brand new Camry. This model is the SE, which is a little bit sportier than the LE. It is redesigned from top to bottom to look like nothing else before. It drives and looks like more of a sportier car. What a beautiful looking engine. 203 horsepower, great gas mileage, 32 combined, highway and city. That's your average gas mileage. This is very, very user-friendly. Everything is very accessible, like your windshield washer, extra heavy-duty battery and alternator. What it means is when the temperature is 40 below, the car will start. But you don't have to go under the hood, since Toyota is giving you 25,000 miles or 2 years free maintenance, all changes, tire rotations. The SE Camry is designed with the black mesh in the front to make it look more attractive. It comes with LED lights, and what it means for you is longer life for the lights and better visibility. You have 18-inch black finish alloy rim. It's going to absorb a lot of impact and also make the car look sharp. You do have color key mirrors with a light indicator, as well as color key rocker panels. It also has this nice sporty line, very, very sleek. The 2019 Camry comes to you with more standard safety features. Besides the 10 airbags, it comes with what's called Toyota Safety Sense. That includes things like front pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane depart alert, adaptive cruise control, automatic high beams. Tremendous trunk space for your groceries, your dog food, your golf clubs, what have you. 15 cubic feet of space. It still comes with a spare tire, and the spare tire is very accessible. Now, if you want to increase your cargo area, you can pull this, go inside the back seat of the vehicle. Very easily, you can fold the seat forward. Or you can put the whole thing down, and if you had to, you can put actually a bicycle in here. The interior of the back seat is comfortable and very spacious. You can put your children, you can put your friends, you can put your neighbors, and they will enjoy the ride because it is indeed extremely roomy. The 2010 Camry comes with a technology overhaul to make your life much, much easier. This particular vehicle comes with a 7-inch display, comes with the N2.3 with connected navigation system. So the 7-inch display also makes life easier because that's where you see your backup camera. Everything is over here, it's also over here. So you don't have to take your hands away from the steering wheel to call someone. I do like the seats. The seats are absolutely hugging you back, very comfortable. Leather up steering wheel, and tilt and telescopic. And don't forget, it also has leather wrap right here. You look at it and you go, wow, what a nice, elegant feature for a vehicle that is rather average price. I would love to invite you to come in to experience this vehicle, because once you drive, you will just be amazed. Yes, if you have questions or you'd like to talk more about it, it will be my pleasure to assist with any questions that you may have.